Hello everyone! Today we will talk about immune system. But before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Roana Picabatulan, a student of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Science. Immune system. Immune system protects the body from possibly harmful substance by recognizing and responding to antigens. Antigens are a substance, usually proteins. Immune system parts and functions. The first parts of the immune system is the tonsils and adenoids. And adenoids and tonsil act as a filter to remove debris and antigens entering the respiratory tract. The second part of the immune system is the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are important to the proper functioning of the immune system, acting as a filter for foreign particles including cancer cells but have no detoxification function. The third part of the immune system is the thymus. The thymus is an organ that is critically important to the immune system, which has served as a body defense mechanism providing surveillance and protection against diverse pathogens, tumors, antigens, and mediators of tissue damage. The fourth part of the immune system is the appendix. An appendix has been shown to function as lymphoid organ, consisting with the maturation of the B lymphocytes and in the production of class antibody known as the immunoglobulin in AGA antibodies. The fifth part of the immune system is the spleen. The spleen also plays an important role in our immune system, which helps our body fight infection. Just a defect faulty red blood cells, our spleen can pick out any unwelcome microorganism like bacteria or viruses in our blood. The sixth part of our immune system is the bone marrow. The bone marrow is extremely important to the immune system because all the body blood cells originated in the bone marrow. The P lymphocytes remain in the bone marrow to mature while T lymphocytes travel to the thymus. The sixth part of the immune system is the Peyer's patches. Peyer's patches form an important part of the immune system by monitoring intestinal bacteria population and preventing the growth of pathogenic bacteria in the intestine. The disease and disorder of the immune system. First disease and disorder is the asthma. Asthma is a condition which your airways narrow and swell may produce extra mucus. This can make breathing difficult and trigger coughing, a whistling sound when you breathe out. Shortness of breath. Next disorder and disease of the immune system is the ataxia telangiectasia. Telangiectasia is an autosomal recessive disorder primarily characterized by a cerebellar degeneration and moderation sensitivity. And AT is often referred to as a genome instability or DNA damage response syndrome. Next disease and disorder of the immune system is the chronic myeloid leukemia. It's also known as a chronic myelogenous leukemia. It's a type of cancer that starts in certain blood-forming cells of the bone marrow. Next disease and disorder of the immune system is the immunodeficiency with hyper-IgM. Immunodeficiency with high IgM is a rare primary immunodeficiency characterized by the production of normal and increased amount of IgM. Antibody of questionable quality and inability to produce sufficient quantities of IgG and IgA. Next disease and disorder of immune system is the AIDS, HIV, which causes AIDS is an acquired viral infection that destroys the important white blood cells and weakens the immune system. People with this with HIV become seriously ill with infections that most people can fight off. These infections are called the opportunistic infections because they take advantage of weak immune system.